Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you delete account on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on account information here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on delete account here, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you list like this. You click this sign here, then this sign here, then you click here on delete account, then it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.